Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love, and your pal is back with another video. So today I've created a smoky glittery eye makeup look. So I hope you enjoy it. So I've tried to make this look very easy and very beginner friendly. It might look very bold. Generally मैं इतना ज़्यादा bold eyes carry नहीं करती हूँ, but it's sometimes better to experiment. So Amos, before going on to my video, I want to remind something that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe it, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. And also if you love my video, don't forget to give a like button. So Amos, this is my bare face. So I will be applying a primer. So I am using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So I will be directly applying onto my face. So one more thing I want to remind you, Amos, that before applying your makeup, make sure that you well moisturize your face and make sure that you prep your face well so that कि जो makeup है वो आपकी skin पे harm ना करे. So if you want to check out skincare before the makeup, so go and watch my previous makeup videos. After prepping my face, I will be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. So I will be taking a little onto my palm and then I will be just dabbing it around my face. So I love this foundation because it's a full coverage foundation, and like whatever blemish you have in your face, it will hide it. Make sure that you blend it above the eyelids, and obviously you will take it until your neck and wherever part it is visible. So the next product, I will be applying my Fit Me concealer. So this is on the shade medium, and I will be applying a little onto the areas of my blemishes, like acne marks jahan jahan, and also where I need to brighten up. So now I'm gonna blend it. So the next product, I will be applying my Swiss Beauty Illuminator. I will be just applying on the highest point of my face. So I'm applying on the parts where I need little more glow. So the particles of this illuminators are not so chunky and it's very soft. So the next, I'm using a blush from Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan collection. So what I will be doing is, I will be taking the color onto my palms and I will be applying little bit of foundation over here. Thoda sa foundation, and then I will blend it. See? The color thoda sa subtle ho gaya, and then I will be applying it on my cheek. The pigment of this blush is very dark, so I don't want कि मैं अपने directly अपने face में लगाऊं क्योंकि patch of colors हो जाए. So I am applying the blush like this. So you can see that I am smiling, and then I will be applying my blush from over here too. So I am taking this Makeup Revolution palette and I have all the colors which I want. So now for this crease line, I will be taking a lighter color and then I will be putting it onto my crease. Now I will be taking a darker brown shade just on the crease line. So make sure that we have to blend the colors. It should look like that कि वहाँ पर एक lighter color है और यहाँ थोड़ा darker color है. We are creating a little warm with the darker color. So you can see that I am just slowly wiping it in my eyes. Slowly. So make sure that you are slowly building up the color. So now I will be taking up this blue color and then I will be applying onto my lids. So you have to apply it all over the lids towards your crease line. Here we don't have to blend the color, you have to just dab the color. So now what you have to do, you have to little blend the colors out so that कि वहाँ जो sharp edge लग रहा है वो ना लगे. So now I will be applying a glitter onto my eyes. Now with this glitter, I am just dabbing out the color. So make sure that you are taking a flat brush and you are applying it. So now I will be cleaning out the edges just a little bit. I don't want कि मेरा foundation move out हो जाए. So the same thing I have repeated in the both of the eyes. Now what I will do is that with the same eyeshadow, I will be just dabbing it in the lower lash line. So the next I will be doing my eyebrows. So for that I am using this Innisfree eyebrow pencil. I will first brush my eyebrows. Just mark a line. Now with the same thing, what you have to do is that you have to fill up the gaps. See the difference? बहुत ज़्यादा different. To make my eyebrows look sharper, so I will take the concealer and then cleaning out the edges. So the next I will be applying a lipstick because my eyes are very dark, so obviously I will be applying a nude lipstick. So I am taking Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. The next I will be curling my eyelashes. So for that I am using this What Dangerous a tool. Make sure that you do it very carefully and just look up. So as I will be wearing falsies, but I will also be applying a little bit of mascara. See, it's instantly open up my eyes. Like कुछ भी नहीं था अभी फिर भी पता चल रहा है कि कुछ तो eyelashes है. So the next I will be applying a highlighter. So I am using this liquid highlighter. So I will not be using any powder highlighter now. So you can see that little lighting is fluctuating because मैं sunlight पे करती हूँ and I don't use any artificial light. So just because of sunlight कभी कम होता है कभी down होता है तो उसके वजह से मेरा lighting थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो सकता है. So the next I will be highlighting my like eyebrow bone and also I will be like highlighting my like inner corner of my eyes. So I am using this Faces Canada setting spray from a distance. And next to make my eyes look more popped out, so I will be wearing some eyelashes. So I am using this Pack 73 eyelash and I love this eyelash. It's a very like voluminous eyelash और बहुत party wear है. So I have applied a glue and I will be wearing it. So it's a very voluminous eyelashes, so I don't prefer like wear it outside. I just only wear it like in the videos. So I wear my eyelashes, so I will be wearing some jhumka. So Amors, with that I have completed my makeup look. I hope you like this bold smoky blue eye look. So if you have loved my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also do share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Until next time, take care, miss you, love you.